Hello everyone, today is Tarot Tuesday. This reading is for Aquarius collectives. Let's see what are the messages. Okay, some travel to a place of water body again is coming for you, just like Scorpio. You might be planning a very short trip, or it could be due to your work. Some trip is upcoming, right? And okay, or some change is also coming to you, right? And I'm also seeing a lot of healing, or some focus on the emotions is what's coming in, right? You might be reflecting on few things, and you're just looking and searching for peace. What's the issue, Aquarius? Why you feel so unstable with your emotions? You don't feel stable. Actually, Aquarius is a sign which is always, dual. Okay, you have some doubt, right? There's something going on in your mind and in your energy, and you there are two thoughts about it. You have your mind says it will happen, but your intuition is giving you a very different message, right? It's saying something else, so you're being asked to listen to your intuition, and it has to do something with your emotions, right? Your intuition is guiding you very strongly, and your mind is saying that you cannot have it. There is something which you want, and which you want it very strongly. You're very clear about it from your heart and from your intuition, but your mind is actually misguiding you, and this has a lot to do with your stability of emotions, happiness and peace. So I'm not getting too deep into what exactly this is. It could also be actually for some of you marriage. I'm seeing it has something to do with marriage and commitment. This is the message. So listen to your intuition, Aquarius. You never know what great things can happen. Be ready.